a little rainy and gross today in Florida, but that's okay because we still have money that we need to save. We have inflation that we are fighting at the same time, so we're getting our butts over to Walmart. There's so many amazing deals. I'm saving 90% today. We have a lot of food deals. We have produce deals. We have personal care deals. There's a ton of deals on laundry products as well. So if you need to stock up on any of this is definitely the week for you. And guess what? We're using 2 apps. That's it. So freaking easy this week. First app we're using is Ibotta. If you've been with my channel for any amount of time, you know how much I love this app. It's super easy and you get actual real cash back that you can transfer right to your bank account, which is perfect. Plus, we are gonna be using the Be Frugal app. Again, super easy to use. We're gonna put everything on one receipt. When we get in the car, we're gonna snap our receipts. So stay till the end. I'll show you guys exactly how it all works and how much cash back I actually wind up earning. So you can see that yes, this is real. You can do the exact same thing as well. So if you're new to either of those apps, below in the description box is gonna be some links and referral codes that help support the channel if you do use my code. So I appreciate it so much. You will also get bonuses. Ibotta, you'll get a $5 bonus, and Be Frugal, you'll get a $10 bonus when you submit for $10 in cash back. So definitely worth it to do both of those. I absolutely love the apps. One thing too, before we head inside, I'm completing 2 bonuses on Ibotta this week, which is really exciting. Any offer that you do is gonna track towards both bonuses. So I've done 6 offers. Those 6 offers are working towards both of these bonuses. So I need 7 or 8 more offers and I'll be able to earn an additional $10 cash back to help cover the cost of the products that I'm grabbing. Now I get asked all the time, how the heck are we saving on groceries? Because my grocery bill is crazy. 2 things. 1, use Ibotta. We have cashback offers today on milk, on creamer, on oat milk, on Greek yogurt, on produce, like so many actual grocery items. Peanut butter, which I actually stocked up on. The second thing you can do is use those bonuses. I'm doing offers on products I actually need. I'm earning cash back on products I actually need. Then I'm gonna get an additional $10 back from Ibotta. That's $10 I didn't have. So now you can use that. Grab you some meat, get some chicken, get some ground beef. You could make yourself some spaghetti with meat sauce tonight for dinner. That way there's protein in the dinner, which is really important to us. We always make sure we have protein in our dinner. But where's the money coming from? That $10 in bonuses that you're getting from Ibotta. Now, keep in mind, rebate apps do vary per account. So you wanna make sure that you're checking the different rebates for the different products that you're grabbing before you go to the store, just to make sure A, they didn't expire, and B, that you actually have it. So sometimes I could have $2 back, you could have $1 back, or vice versa. Or maybe I have a rebate and you don't, etc. It depends on where you live and all of that jazz. So just double check your app before you head to the store so you don't have any issues. Wednesday as well, I'm gonna be going live showing you guys step by step how I find deals on all of my family essentials to save 75%, and my 5-step system to be able to pay off my debt with those savings and grow my emergency fund at the same time without having to change my lifestyle. So easy once you learn how to do it, and I absolutely love teaching it. So if you guys want to come, that link will be below for you guys, and I would love to see you there. Let's head inside and take advantage of amazing deals and save 90% today. So let's start with some produce deals today. First, we're gonna be grabbing one of these Sumo oranges. They are $1.98. You can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one. Makes your final cost $1.48. The next deal is on blueberries, which my son is currently obsessed with. You can grab one of these here for $5.28. Submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back. Makes it $5.03. Next, we're grabbing a green pepper. This would be perfect for salad. They are 65 cents right now. They do have to be from Florida for this rebate. Submit to Ibotta for 15 cents back. Makes your final cost 50 cents. Then we're gonna grab some Skippy peanut butter. You can grab the 15 ounce up to 16.3 ounce. These are $2.98. Submit over to Ibotta for 75 cents cash back. Makes your final cost about $2.24. Next deal is on Greek yogurt, which I always keep in my house. This Cabot is the one this week for $4.72. This is a large one. Submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back. Makes your final cost $3.98 for something healthy that I was gonna buy anyways. Then my store is out of this one, but you want to get the Oatly. It has to be the vanilla kind though. They're $5.27. Submit to Ibotta for $3 back. Makes it $2.27, which is over 50% off. If you need creamers this week, you can also grab some of the International Delight. They are $3.77 at my store. Submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back. Limit is 5, so you can really stock up. Makes your final cost $3.02 a piece. Keep an eye out for clearance as well in the juice section. There's an Ocean Spray Tropical 6-pack that's on clearance. The Juminex is on clearance as well. All of these down here would have been Juminex products, but those are sold out. We also have more Ocean Spray. The Zero, what is that, pomegranate or something, is on clearance as well. Then we have a Mott's Active that was on clearance. Over here, we have a couple more things as well. The V8 is on clearance, and there is another V8 Splash Berry. This is in the wrong section. That's on clearance for $3. And more V8 down here. This Spicy Hot is actually in stock. There's 2 of them available. They're $4.50, and these are $11.50 on clearance, like 10% off. We also have tons of different granola bars and healthy protein bars, energy bars, kind bars, all on clearance here. So definitely take a look if this is something that you like. These Z bars also on clearance. I've actually never tried that kind. Next deal is on Purex. So I'm gonna grab one of these here, 115 loads for $8.97. Submit to Ibotta for $3 back. Then on Be Frugal, if you buy one, you'll get $1.87 back. Makes it $4.10. Originally, I was gonna grab one of these and one of these, but this is the new like bottle and shape for Purex, and it does not work on the Be Frugal rebate. It has to be the 57 load, not the 58 load, or the 65 ounce. These are 59 and 66 ounce, so it will not work to get 2 unless you grab 2 of these, but the Ibotta rebate is only 1, so in my opinion, it's cheapest and best deal if you grab just one of these. Separately, you can grab one of the Purex for $5.97, submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back, makes your final cost $3.47, so almost half off. Next, we're getting some Purex crystals for $1.09 each. You're gonna grab one of these for $3.97, submit to Ibotta for $1 cash back. You're also gonna grab this specific Fresh Spring Waters, the 39 ounce for $6.97, submit to Ibotta for $2 back, plus you'll get the $2 Purex bonus for doing one of the crystals and the big Purex liquid rebate that I showed you a little bit ago. Plus, we're gonna submit to the Be Frugal app and get $3.76 back for doing 2 rebates. Makes our final cost $2.18 for both of them, or $1.09 a piece. And of course, Easter did reach 50% off. And then over here, I still have 2 aisles completely full of things. So let's go check it out and see if there's anything we want to score for next year. The candy, the food, things like that is 25% off. Everything else is 50% off. There were a bunch of books and activity books, which I was going to stock up on, but when I scanned them on the Walmart app, it still showed full price. So I'm not sure, honestly, if those are included. My son's birthday is actually right around the corner as well, so I definitely will be stocking up on some different plates and stuff. We could probably use these for like the cake and things like that. So anything that you're going to be using for the future, definitely double check. They even still have full Easter baskets ready to go. You could always shove that in the garage and then just pull it out next year and you're ready to go. I did find something that I'm actually going to grab my son. It's these little garden tool sets. He has like a little play area outside, and I want to make him like a little sand pit in the backyard too. Maybe I'll do that for his 2nd birthday, but you can easily use these for like sand or anything you want. I think that would be really cute, and he's been helping me like water the plants, so definitely a great deal at 50% off. How much is it? Let me see. These are $1.75. Are you kidding me? That we're doing a bluey theme, but that would be really cool to give out as like a little what's it called? Party favor for $1.75 to give them that, like to come to Bryson's birthday. Dang, this might be a great idea, guys. This is how you save. Next deal is on this Hello Whipped. It's $5.96. Submit to Ibotta for $4 back, so over a 50% savings. You'll pay $1.96. Okay, we are back in from Walmart. Everything went great at checkout. So I did everything all digital, of course, so there were no coupons or anything to have to scan at checkout. So total, I paid $41.33 out of pocket, and that includes taxes. Then what I did is I took my receipt and submitted over to Ibotta, got $15.75 cash back, plus I'll be getting the $10 back in the bonuses. So $25.75 cash back from Ibotta for the products that I needed. And with Ibotta, you need $20 to be able to cash out. So once that hits my account, it should take between an hour, sometimes up to 24 hours. It's usually really quick though. I'll be able to transfer that right back into my bank account, which is amazing. But you've got to make sure that you're only doing deals on products that you actually need. I did not do the Sumo citrus deal. I just personally don't like oranges like that. I like orange juice, but like I'm not going to eat an orange. The texture and the pulp, and it's just too much going on in that fruit. So I'm out on that. I didn't do the green pepper deal as well. I noticed that that one was from Mexico and it has to be from Florida. So obviously that wouldn't have even worked with the rebate. So I went ahead and put that back as well. You've got to make sure, of course, that you are only doing deals on products that you actually need. Otherwise, it kind of defeats the purpose. So I just stocked up on the peanut butter because we did actually need that. It was on my grocery list. So instead of buying Jiffy, I bought Skippy or Skips, whatever. I feel like they're the same thing anyway, and I got 75 cents cash back on it. So boom, perfect. Next, I submitted over to Be Frugal, got back $5.62. That took me probably 60 seconds. Obviously, I'm still in the parking lot. So once I leave, I sit in my car, I submit my one receipt to both of the apps, I earn my cash back, and that's it. Now we're gonna head home and we're gonna track it in our budget spreadsheet. It's super easy, but that way we know exactly how much money we're saving. And at the end of the month, we know how much we have to play with, how much we can put towards our debt, and how much we can put towards building our emergency fund, which is super important. Yes, saving the money is great, but you gotta take action with it and do something with it, which is part of what I talk about in my 5-step system, which I'll be going over on Wednesday in my live if you guys come. Super simple, but once you learn it, it's really easy. That's how I've paid off over $16,000 worth of debt, and I'm on track to be debt-free this year. No more student loans, no more nonsense, just to make life a little bit easier and a little bit lighter because I don't have all of these crazy bills that are going to be stacking up and everything. So it's really nice. So let's head home. I'll show you guys the spreadsheet that I use and exactly how I do it, and we'll do it together. Okay, we are back home from Walmart and I have my spreadsheet pulled up. If you guys want to download this one, you can. It's $10 one-time payment and you can copy it for the rest of your life. It'll also come with video trainings too to teach you how to do the full budget setup tab and the financial goals tracker tab. So we are in April. What you're going to do is over here for April tracking is you are going to be tracking all of your expenses, but we're going to come over to coupon trips and that's where you're going to be tracking everything that you do when you are couponing. So we are going to do the date in the drop down. We went to Walmart. So sale price is just going to be the exact same thing. So the cost of all the products, and then out of pocket is going to always be the same thing at Walmart because they don't have rewards. They don't have Walgreens cash, right? They don't have extra bucks. They don't have any of that. You're just paying out of pocket, okay? Then you are going to put in here how much total cash back did you earn. So we earned $15.75 plus 10 from Ibotta plus $5.62 from Be Frugal, plus another $2 bonus that I forgot to mention from Ibotta for the Purex. I forgot I did that bonus as well. So in total, we got back $33.37. And that's it. That took us, what, 30 seconds? Everything else is going to update automatically for you. And it shows here that I've saved $407 so far this month. And it's only April 7th, which is so exciting. Average percentage saved right here. I'm almost at 80%. So when you guys hear me say everyone can save 75% on every single thing that you buy, this is what I mean. Laundry products, personal care products, diapers, paper products, everything that I've purchased so far this entire month, I've saved 80% on average. Sometimes I've saved a little more, sometimes I've saved a little less, but it averages out and that's incredible. So that is how we're fighting inflation, by using our phone, stacking our deals, getting bonuses, getting cash back, the whole 9 yards. So I'll be going into more details of that in my free live class. If you guys haven't reserved your seat yet, click the link that shows on the screen that says free live class. You guys can register. It's at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, and I will see you guys there. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.